Flawless Skin Gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Select Kalio, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. So I know that I'm not wearing my wig today and I'm not slaying. That's because I just wanted to quickly do this video before I go to bed. Okay, so excuse my look. I just felt like this is an important topic to talk about, and that is the difference between organic skincare products and natural skincare products. Now, if you want to know what the difference is between the both, then you definitely want to watch this video till the very end. Flawless Skin Gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Select Kalio, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. Now, I know you guys will be wondering what's wrong with this girl today. Yes, today I just, I've been getting so many requests on I want organic products, and I'm like, okay, do these people even understand what organic skincare product is? So I just thought, let me come on here and do this video quickly before I go to bed, because it is an issue. It is an issue, and there are not a lot of these kind of videos on YouTube. So I felt like I should come on here and try to explain to you the difference between organic skincare products and natural skincare products. Now, I know that a lot of you are confused because we YouTubers or skincare formulators, when we make products on YouTube, we use these terms: organic whitening cream, organic skincare, organic this, organic that. Now, let me make you understand something. Most of the time, our titles are based off of largely searched keywords. So take for example that you find out that a lot of people are searching organic skincare product, organic. You would naturally want to title your product or add organic skincare in your product, because you know that a lot of people, once they search organic, your video will come out as well. And me, for one, when I do that, I still make sure I put the appropriate title of the product in my caption, so that I have the keywords, but I also have the exact kind of product that I'm trying to make for you guys to see, if that makes sense. So I know that's where a lot of these confusions are coming from, because people don't know how to differentiate between what organic skincare products are and what natural skincare products are. And that is why I have decided to do this short video, which I know may not be short, but it's okay. it's okay. Yeah, so first of all, how you want to label a product, whether it's organic or it's natural. Most of the time when it comes to natural skincare products, the labeling is solely for you. So first of all, what you want to look out for is what are the derivatives of these products, what are the composition, what was this product made of. So if you're able to identify the ingredients that were made, that these products were made with or made from, I don't know the English, I think sleep is catching me, I don't know Jones, but anyways, if you're able to identify the ingredients, the composition, the derivatives, then you will be able to label your products appropriately, correctly, with the appropriate labels. So what is natural skincare? So when you ask what is the derivative of the product, basically you're asking what is the product made of, where did it come from, what was it sourced by. Like, are the products made of plants, animal-based ingredients, marine, minerals, whatever it is made of? That is what will quantify whether that product is indeed natural or not. So there is what we call natural occurring ingredients. This simply means that the ingredient that you're using is used in its natural occurring state. It has not gone through any processing. It has not gone through any form of change. It is used straight from however it was sourced. So if it's a plant-based ingredient, it is used directly from the farm. If it's animal-based, it is used directly from the animal without any processing. If it's marine, it is used directly from the sea. If it's mineral, it is used directly. So there's no processing. That's what we call naturally occurring, natural occurring. Now, there's also what we call nature identical. Okay, this means that these ingredients are made in a lab, but they actually have the ability, or they are made to look identical to natural ingredients. Okay, I don't know if this if I'm making sense. You can leave a comment in the comment section if you're following. So it is basically something that was made to look like it is a natural product. Okay, we have a lot of them that we use for our skincare products. They are not really natural, but they are made to have identical features of a natural occurring ingredients. Okay, an example of that can be ascorbic acid. Also have what we call synthetic ingredients. Now these ingredients are far on the other side. Basically, they are products that are made in the lab. For example, we have paraben, which are very common preservatives that are used in the beauty industry, and there are so many other of them. You can do your research if you want to go deep into this topic. You can do your research. I just want to touch on these small points so that you guys have an idea of the difference between the two, natural or organic skincare products. Now, another thing that you want to check is how these ingredients are processed. Now, because an ingredient is termed natural occurring, doesn't mean they are processed naturally. Okay, basically they have to go through some processes in the lab. Sometimes you have to add some other substances to make the end product what it is, and all of that. Now, ingredients can be processed physically or chemically. When you say it is processed physically, it means that all the properties of that ingredient, even after going through the process of to get the end result in the lab, all the properties of that ingredient still remains the same. It doesn't change. It still has everything from the beginning to the end. It means they didn't add any form of substance to change anything. They just probably, you know, turned it into from maybe liquid or paste to powder. I don't know if you're getting me. And we also have what we call the chemical processed ingredients. Okay, chemically processed ingredients. This means that the properties of the ingredient slightly changes to accommodate its new form. Okay, so if they are processing something like nothing is coming to my head now, but basically when processing chemically, it means that the structure of the product or of the ingredients has changed. When processing physically, it means that the structure of the ingredient remains the same. Okay, now there are some examples like raw unrefined oils. These are natural ingredients that are processed physically, meaning that all the properties and all the goodies that we need in the oil stays the same. Like, say you're making coconut oil. If you're making cold processed coconut oil, it is a physically processed ingredient because everything remains the same. You're just separating the oil from the shaft and all the other things that you have in your coconut, if I am making sense. Now, an example of a naturally occurring ingredient, but it is chemically processed, would be things like your waxes and so many other kind of ingredients. I'm trying to wrap this up so that I don't end up with staying here for too long and talking too much. Now when we talk about organic ingredients or organic skincare, this means that these products have not gone through any form of processes, whether physically or chemically. They have not gone through any form of processes. Say you are just taking these products from your farm and you're taking it directly to your lab, your kitchen, or wherever you're making your DIY products, and you're making it directly from there. Now, these organic products are not, you can't say you are using them for too long a period of time, because they will not stay, they will not last, they will spoil. So if you are looking out for skincare products and you don't understand the term, or somebody comes to you and says, oh, I sell organic products, please tell them they don't sell organic products. No, they don't. Because if you sell organic products, it means that you planted the things that you're using in your cream. So say, for example, you are using aloe vera. You planted your aloe vera yourself. You know that there are no pesticides, there are no chemicals that were used during growing the product, and basically ingredients that are fresh, not real fresh ingredients, not naturally derived ingredients. So these are the differences between organic and natural. Most of the products that are in the market that people tag organic are not organic. Most of them are not even natural. Okay, when you are using natural products, it means that you are using ingredients that are naturally derived, okay, either from plants, animals, marine, or mineral source. Okay, and when you're talking about organic products, these are products that you make off of ingredients that you grow yourself, like your aloe vera, your neem trees, and so on and so forth. So I hope that I have been able to clear this confusion, because a lot of people, even the so-called skincare formulators, have no idea what these things are. So I just felt like it's, okay for me to come on here and distinguish between these two, so that when you speak in public or when you're inquiring for products, you are using the appropriate terms. Okay, and by the way, ingredients or creams that have things like paraben, things like steroids, things like hydroquinone and all of that are not natural products. Okay, they are not natural products. So don't be deceived. If you're tagging your product as natural, make sure that all of your ingredients are naturally derived. Let it be that the only process that you have is the processing of the ingredients from its natural state to the final end point that you're looking for. Okay, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take this time to subscribe down below, hit the notification bell so you will be notified every time I put out a new video, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if this topic helped you in any way at all, please leave a comment in the comment section. I'd like to give you a high five. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I just wanted to do this video quickly, and also, I was just feeling my skin. I just wanted to show off a bit. Ain't nothing bad for a girl to come on here and show off a bit. Okay, guys, good night, good morning, good afternoon, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Oh, and before I forget, make sure you are getting our porcelain range. If you want to shine bright like me, get our porcelain range. We have different kinds of products ranging from kids, caramel tone, we have our bihoku, we have our porcelain range, we also have our total effect range. But if you're looking for a translucent, beautiful looking complexion without looking like you're bleaching or any of that, and also help you clear out your dark underarm, your dark feet, knuckles, and all of that, make sure you are ordering our porcelain premium cream. cream. Okay, use the link down below to shop any of our products, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. Don't worry, I'm not coming back on this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. So when we talk about natural skincare, we're talking about products that are derived, or in products that are made with ingredients that are derived from plants, from animals, from generally natural sources of these products. And then when we talk about organic products, we're talking about ingredients that are sourced or that are planted and grown by you. So take for example, say you want to make a kojic acid cream. Now the kojic acid you're using is natural because it's made from rice bran and all of that, but the ingredient goes through a certain process to get it to the kojic acid or the kojic dipalmitate that we all know and use. Okay, so you don't just use the rice or whey or wherever the kojic acid is gotten from. You don't use it directly, but it is naturally sourced. It is something that was made from a natural source. Okay, so for that you can call that a natural product. Now anything that has at least 75% natural ingredient in it can be called natural. Okay.